Hello everyone. How are you doing? Welcome to my channel, Alexa's Garden. In this video, I want to show how I grow a beautiful shrub, Weigela. Do you like Weigela? Do you have this shrub in your garden? The genus Weigela has 15 species. This is a plant from East Asia. Weigela is a very flowering deciduous shrub, which sometimes has repeated flowering. The flowers are large, about 2 inches or 5 centimeters, and are tubular bell-shaped flowers that are cream, white, and various shades of pink or red. Flower color changes during flowering. The flowers are collected in inflorescences, on the tops of short stems. Weigela has a great decorative effect. This shrub needs easy care. Weigela easily propagates. Gardeners grow about 5 to 7 species and 10 varieties of Weigela. Weigela is a shrub that loves the sun and grows well in open, lit areas. Some species can tolerate some shade. Weigela blooms weakly in the shade. Weigela can be planted with other shrubs, for example, low barberries, cotoneasters, agate, and Weigela spireas, with Viburnum buldanez, Japanese quince, and also among conifers, cypresses, junipers. Single specimens of Weigela are also very effective. In this video, I want to show you a blooming Weigela shrub. It grows in Japan, Primorai, and northern China. Weigela loves moist, fertile, and slightly acidic soils. This plant is growing fast. If the weather is hot and dry, frequent watering is required. Let's see the brightest garden forms of flowering Weigela. Weigela purpurea. It is a 60-inch or 1.5 meter tall shrub. The leaves of this plant are brown-red, 3 inches or 8 centimeters long. Weigela purpurea flowers are deep pink with a yellowish color inside. It blooms in June. It grows quite slowly. Weigela purpurea winters with shelter. Nana purpurea is a short form of Weigela that does not exceed 40 inches in height. It blooms in early June with dark pink flowers, which are decorated with a yellow spot inside. Weigela variegata. It is a frost-resistant form with small leaves. Leaf length is about 2 inches or 5 centimeters. Bush's height is about 100 inches or 2.5 m. Weigela rosea. Bluebells appear at the end of May and have a delicate light pink color with a richer shade inside the flower. Bush's height is limited to 60 inches. Weigela Bristol ruby. It has large bell flowers 1.5 inches long, painted in a rich ruby color. The shrub reaches a height of over 100 inches and flowers in early July. Weigela Bristol ruby blooms in June and grows rapidly. Weigela candida. Weigela candida is a rare variety of Weigela with large white bell-shaped flowers and a beautiful crown. The width of an adult plant is up to 120 inches. Height up to 100 inches. Flowering period May-June. In August, this variety of Weigela begins to bloom again. Weigela wings of fire. The height of this bush is up to 60 inches, the flowering period is 30 to 40 days. Weigela blooming wings of fire is the brightest representative of its species. This small compact bush has not only large bright pink flowers but also gorgeous decorative leaves. The leaves are first bronze green, then change to green, and a little later become bronze red. By the beginning of autumn, the leaves acquire a bright wine red color. Flowering June-July. Due to its high decorativeness, the bush looks great both as a single plant and in group plantings, landscape compositions, and large rockeries. Weigela nana variegata. It is a low shrub 40 inches high, and the leaves of this shrub have a yellow border. Weigela flowers nana variegata medium size, 1 inch long, crimson or white pink, collected 4 pieces. Weigela nana variegata grows slowly. Weigela brigella is a charming, unique shrub that blooms profusely every year. This variety of Weigela has another name, Moulin Rouge. I want to say that this is a novelty among Weigela varieties with interesting, very decorative leaves with wide golden edges that contrast with red flowers. Flowering period May-June. The width of an adult plant is up to 80 inches. The height of an adult plant is up to 80 inches. Weigela brigella is a perennial flowering ornamental shrub. How to grow Weigela? Here are my growing recommendations. Weigela is photophilous and grows best in open, sunny places. Weigela loves fresh, loose, drained soils and good watering, but does not tolerate stagnant water. Young plants for the winter need shelter. Early Weigela is undemanding to soils, it easily tolerates transplantation. Weigela looks very beautiful in green hedges, a haircut is not needed. Hope the video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and thumbs up below. See you soon.